Hi everyone. This is Privx Exchange, a zkp-based decentralized order book service on Aleo platform. Comparing to previous works on other platforms, Privx aims to provide better user privacy protection. Please refer to our homepage and other websites for more information if you are interested. Detailed information is in the toppest comment. In this video I'll show how to use Privx to claim and transact tokens on Aleo, as well as creating and requesting your own tokens on Privx. Firstly, let's get familiar with Privx's UI. You can switch between different token pairs here on the top left if needed. You can also switch between buying and selling in this tab below. In the middle you can have a glance of books as well as traded orders. There is also a K-line chart on the right, where you can have a view of trading history of this particular token pair. You can drag, zoom in or out to have a view of particular time periods. In the upper part you can see current price as well as different indicators within recent 24 hours. In the bottom you can have a view of your orders, fills as well as your assets. On the top of the page you can find links to our tutorial and documents. You can also claim testing tokens, or create and request your own tokens on Privx. We will introduce corresponding functionalities later in this video. Okay, let's move on to next step, how to use Privx to make transactions. Assuming you are using Chrome Explorer, firstly you will need to install a Chrome extension with the name Aleo Wallet. You can find it in Chrome Web Store as shown here. After installing you will need to open the wallet and create an account in it, and use the faucet to gain some Aleo tokens, which are needed as gas fee in later steps. Secondly, let's go back to Privx webpage and click the Connect Wallet button here to connect to Aleo Wallet. Okay, done. Then you can click the Claim button on the top right to claim some tokens to proceed. You can claim whichever you would like. This operation is repeatable. You would see an alert of confirming transaction. Well, let's press the Confirm button and there would be a new tab in your browser, showing the transaction is being processed. Do not close this tab as the transaction would be cancelled. You would need some minutes for downloading proofs, making transactions, etc. It would take more minutes for the first time, and less afterwards. And if there occurs any problem during this step, you can try if you need to sign into Aleo Wallet, or closing some tabs if you have opened too many tabs in your Chrome. If this doesn't work, you can open Aleo Wallet extension, click the Settings button, and head to Advanced Settings, and click Resync. Please wait for the resynchronizing process and retry the steps afterwards. Assuming that you have already got enough Aleo gas and tokens, you will firstly need to deposit assets into the pool. Let's head to the bottom of the web page and click the My Assets tab, and then the Deposit button. You need to deposit the tokens you want to trade out. Let's deposit some USDT tokens here. Click Deposit, and fill in the amount. And click the Confirm button. Please make sure you have already signed in the Aleo Wallet. Okay, now our transaction is sent and waiting for confirmation. Okay, it's confirmed. You have got some USDT tokens locked in the pool. Only locked tokens are allowed to make transactions. Of course, you can also withdraw tokens by clicking the Withdraw button. Now let's see how to make orders. You can see that there is already some buying and selling orders in the list. You might want to make a deal with the order you would like to. So what you need to do is to switch to the Buying or Selling tab here, and then type in price and amount. Different numbers would result in different outcomes, similar to other order books. So after filling in parameters, click the Buy or Sell button correspondingly and everything is similar as depositing tokens. We would need to wait for the transaction being confirmed. Okay, the transaction is confirmed. Please wait for confirmation from Privx backend and soon you can observe changes made to the order list as well as assets. Till now we have successfully made a transaction with the help of Privx on Aleo blockchain. Besides claiming, buying and selling tokens, we also support creating and requesting your own tokens on Privx. Click Create ARC20 Token button on the top of the page. Fill in the form as you like and press the button in the bottom. Please wait for the confirmation of the transaction. Okay, it's confirmed. Let's navigate to the top right and press My Tokens. You can see the token just created listed here, along with the token ID. You can also click the Token List button and have a look of all of the tokens created. You can also apply your tokens to be included into Privx's token pair list. You can navigate to My Tokens tab and click the List Your Token button. Please fill in your email address as well as the application form, and press Submit button. Your requested tokens as well as application form would be reviewed by Privx. Appropriate ones would be selected and published into Privx trading list. Thanks for your watching and welcome to use Privx Exchange. Our websites and contacts enlisted under this video, and in case of any questions or interests, or jumping into any problems while using our platform, please feel free to contact us via email or GitHub, whichever you would like. Thank you.